All right, guys. I think we're back. Sorry, my internet went down. Let me know if everything's good on your guys' end. It wasn't Mason Nimkins. It was on my end. My whole internet went down. Which is crazy. It shouldn't happen. I have AT&T fiber. All right, good. Let me get back here and get your music playing for you. Okay, are we all good? Just so you can see, I haven't placed a trade. It's still the same account. Transparency purposes, there's the account. Let's do this again. Dave, Google Fiber doesn't run through Louisville. Oh, Donna, nice to see you. Good morning, by the way. All right. Let's get settled back in here. I've only got about 25 minutes or 35 minutes now before I've got workers coming, and I'll have to hop off, unfortunately. Yeah, Dave, I've heard good things about it. Yeah, we don't have Google Fiber here in Louisville. Sorry, guys, just making sure everything is up and running. So I might be quiet for a minute. Okay, that's all good. That's all good. Looks like everything is good on my end once again. All right. Well, I see news dropped. Came right down into that 160 level and held. Held above currently. What's up, Chase? 3 blown accounts. Did you get chopped up? What's up, Colin? It's okay, Chase. It happens. Like I said, on the smaller combines and evals, you're under such tight constraints. If you're trading minis, it's hard. Good morning, more rice. Almost half tempted to take this long here. Off of value area low. See what we get. I'm gonna try it, guys. Let's give it a shot. Only giving it to just below 80. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. Yep, stopped out. It's okay. It was a $270 loss. Good morning, billionaire. I'm going to wait now to see if we reclaim 230. I'm not going to play that value area low. I'm not going to try it again. ES is looking like it wants to explore some downside. Probably drag the NQ with it. Yeah, Donna, the daily. And we might come down into this daily 100. This would be the bounce spot if we're going to bounce. If you guys remember yesterday, I had that level from 160 to 140. Looks like the majority of liquidity is still lower, down through the 50s, down through the 150s. because I don't want to execute off it, Chuck. The 140 to 160, there's not a whole lot of clean action off of it recently. I would really prefer to play extremes. I tried the long off value area low, and we couldn't get any kind of real push up through. So my next eye to the downside would be yesterday's, or the overnight lows down and around here at 19,080 level. At this point, it's either going to be, well, currently all I'm seeing is 2 long setups. It'd be a reclaim up above 230 and holding above, or a hold of support down here. Yeah, there's just, if you don't see easily recognizable holds and rejections at whatever level you're looking at, you generally don't want to be executing off those. We want to be a little more patient and a little more selective with our entries. Or at least I do. But I generally only take 3 to 5 trades a day. And on stream, I'll only be trading this account. And when it goes funded, I'll only be trading that funded account. Just so that everybody, there's no questions about the validity of anything. And I won't trade these accounts off stream either. Got plenty of other accounts to trade. Like we lost some viewers during that internet outage. Glad the 10 of you are here though. I gotta run in about 25 minutes though, so if nothing happens, we might not catch another trade on this today. And I'm not gonna force anything. Thanks, G-Graph. Love you too. I was thinking long off 230 earlier, but apparently it was a really good short. Yeah, Chuck, discipline and patience are crucial in this game. Might see a little bounce here. I want to say this is yesterday's regular trading hours lows. Yep. In fact, off stream, I did catch a long off this level yesterday. Made pretty good money. Let's see. Alex has a buying support at 19,050. That might be a good spot to look for a long. If we can flush here. Geez, anybody catch the short off of 230 up there? That trade's working out nicely, if you did. Welcome back, Albu. Looks like almost everybody's back now. Really gonna bounce here again today? Do I try and take the same trade that I did yesterday? I don't know, guys. We might go right back up. We might V-bottom again. ES just printed a hammer off support on the 5-minute. What do you guys see? Same thing? Yeah, Nimkins, I don't know. It's definitely heavy. Sometimes these provide some of the best best trades when it feels like you're catching the falling knife, but it is scary. I prefer an entry somewhere around 120 if I'm going to take it. But we will see. Yeah, liquidity's still lower. I mean, there is some stuff to the upside. Let's try it. Stop below 120. Probably get stopped out. Yep, stopped out. So I'm minus, what is that, $560 on the day? So I've got one more crack at it today. Yeah, I just don't know how much downside we're going to explore today, Donna. With FOMC tomorrow and earnings at the bell, I don't expect much movement either way. Like, I do think we put in a bottom here at some point. I don't just think we continue to flush. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. There's always tomorrow. I mean, it's looking like it wants to hold that same level. To me. Yesterday's regular trading hour lows is the level that I'm talking about. I don't know if we get there, is what I'm saying, G-Graph. Like, technically, so there are levels in between here. You have yesterday's regular trading hour lows, if you look back, which is where we're bouncing currently. And I did catch a nice long from like 121 there yesterday. And if I'm thinking it's an inside day and I see a level like that, I will take an attempt, especially on a combine. You know, if it's a funded account, it might be a little bit different. But these combines, I just try to power through them. I don't want to be sitting in a combine for weeks and weeks and weeks. Like that long currently would be in profit had I stayed in it and not had such a tight stop. But I'm under those constraints of beginning the combine where you don't have the drawdown to play around with. And I'm also watching, just so you guys can see, I'm also watching the ES here. And that's also why I'm saying we could bounce, because it is at support. I'm still not opposed to the long. How are you guys doing today? Making money? I know Chase already said he's had a rough morning. What I might do, guys, is when this restoration guy shows up, I may go deal with him and leave my charts up and running and just turn the camera off so you guys have my levels. And I'll just zoom out if you'd prefer that. And then I could come back and trade this account because I don't want... I got one more crack at it today. I've got $440 still in drawdown for today. So if you'd like, when I have to go deal with this company, I'll leave my charts and leave the stream running, and then I'll come back. All right, I'll just zoom out so that you guys can see where I have my levels, and when he shows up, I'll hop off stream and turn off the camera and mic and everything, and then my charts will be there live, and when I come back, I come back. I don't know how long it's going to take. It shouldn't take too long today. Because I don't know that I'm going to catch another trade here in the next 10 minutes, and he's supposed to be here in 10 minutes, so... Sorry, Mason. It's going to be a long video on this one. Yeah, Chuck, that playlist we kind of just threw together quickly to get something there to get going live. It will change eventually. We'll deep dive into what Upbeat has to offer. But we just kind of threw a bunch of tracks on there and went with it. Yeah, Mason, I'll try to cut out the parts where I'm not trading for you. But I can just leave the stream running. Hey guys, the music's off of Upbeat. It's all royalty-free, copyright-free music. Yeah, Chuck, I'm not gonna try it again. I'll wait for lower or a reclaim above 230 at this point. But I also have to step away from the desk here in a few minutes. So I don't know that I really want to get in a trade. I mean, I suppose I could get in a trade and just set targets and let it either hit the daily loss limit or max profit kind of deal. In fact, do you guys want me to do that? You want me to say where I think it's going to bounce and put a limit order there? I don't ever mark them on my charts, really. I can start doing it if you want me to, Ollie. I know where they're at. I just never manually mark them on my charts. No, don't do that. You want me to talk through the trades? All right. I mean, I can give you an analysis of why before I step away from the desk. So there's a lot of confluence down here in this 19,060 area. We've got Albu with a buy area there in his pre-market analysis. It's a previous bounce point on the NQ that's held multiple times and reclaimed and held. That would be a good long entry for me today. That might be near the bottom of the day. I've only got 20 points of drawdown, so if it went below 40, I would be done. So that would be a logical good limit order to put there. And then I could target, let's see, what can I make on the day now? 2,020. So what would that be? 101 points is what I'd need. Yeah, I'll try it. You know what? Let's try something different. Rather than my typical market orders, let's do this. Let's go. Let's go something like this. And I'll just leave that order on there, and if it gets hit, it gets hit. If it doesn't get hit, and I'll just risk the risk my trading day on this combine. Consistency, that's going to be within the consistency because I've lost $560 roughly in and around today. I've got $440 roughly in drawdown left. So if I make 2,000 on this trade, that would bring me to the 1,500. It'd be right around there. That would be my profit on the day. So it makes sense. Like the numbers line up. All right, guys, I've got to hop off here. Good luck. If you're continuing to trade this, I will be back as soon as I can. Okay. Well, that was quick, huh? All right, guys, I'm just gonna end the stream. That was daily loss limit hit. What did we lose today? We lost $1,025 today. So we'll come back at it tomorrow. We'll try to recover it. I'll see you all in the Discord a little bit later. I will be trading my funded accounts over there. So have a good one. Trade safe. Stay patient. And I will see you all tomorrow. Peace.